We are about midway through this project. This is IronRidge racking Enphase IQ8 microinverters. A little different project, or a little different something we're doing on this project is we're using these QuickBolt mounts, which I really like. These mounts have a small flashing, although you don't technically need it. The washer that comes with these mounts make this waterproof seal, and this just adds another dimension or another backup so that it doesn't leak. So on this side we are putting 7 Aptos 460 panels. We're going to be adding another panel right there, you can see. On this back side we'll be putting 6, 7, 8 panels and 3 on this little side. And this is the side that faces south, about right here. So this will be a nice production for these folks. Also, we're using our ladder lift again, this time for solar panels. Same thing, I'll show you in a minute how it works. Up at the top is the winch, and it just pulls the panels up super easy. So here it is with the solar panel on. Just have a bungee cord right there in the middle, like a seat belt. Alright, got 3 panels down. These Aptos 460s look really sharp. So we got 3 there. Got to put 3 more across here. And then 2 up there in the landscape position. These are the new IronRidge end clamps. Quite an improvement over the other ones because they don't have a washer and something that'll fall off. It just clamps right on like this. Stick it in the rail. That's about as easy as you can do. I like using this tool because not only can you put it on, but you can tighten it.